Today we're comparing three essential archival tapes for repairing paper: Filmoplast P, P90, and P90 PLUS. Note that all three tapes are dispensed in the same manner, pulling the end to expose the sticky side of the tape, which can then be torn or cut off. Starting with Filmoplast P, this thin 20 GSM transparent tape is ideal for repairing delicate, thin paper, especially when the damage runs through texture imagery. Once burnished with a bone or Teflon folder, it becomes almost invisible to the naked eye. Next, we have Filmoplast P90, an opaque, white 50 GSM tape, better suited for heavier papers or areas without text. It provides a subtle yet sturdy repair option while offering a bit more opacity for covering unsightly damage. Finally, there's Filmoplast P90 PLUS, which shares the opacity and gram weight of P90, but has enhanced adhesive strength, making it effective for hinging or reinforcing damaged pages requiring additional support. Here you can see the surface effects and translucencies of all three tape types side by side, helping you make the best choice for your next repair project.